Welcome back to my channel. Hair not growing anymore? Bald patches and oily scalp? Don't rush to transplant yet. Most people think hair regrowth is impossible after bald patches form. But the truth is, your follicles are still alive, just blocked. Today, learn how to naturally regrow hair using a powerful oil and a special routine, without chemicals or surgery. Why bald patches happen? DHT sensitivity. Excess oil blocks follicles. No blood circulation. Stress, diet, harsh shampoos. Result? Follicles sleep, not die. Especially in men, the scalp becomes oily and shiny, which blocks hair from coming out. Women may face thinning due to stress and hormones. But with the right care, both can bring back growth. The 3-step regrowth routine. Step 1. Deep scalp detox. 2x per week. Mix 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Apply on bald or oily areas for 10 minutes. Wash with mild herbal shampoo. Clears oil plugs, opens follicles. Step 2. Scalp steam. After oiling, wrap warm towel for 5 minutes. Boosts blood flow. Step 3. Weekly hair mask. Mix fenugreek paste, curry leaf paste, 1 teaspoon castor oil. Apply on scalp right pointing arrow, leave 30 minutes right pointing arrow, wash. Rebuilds strength and protein. DIY power oil for bald patches. Benefits. This oil breaks scalp buildup, reactivates hair follicles, reduces inflammation, and boosts blood flow. Perfect for bald spots, alopecia, and chronic hair fall in gents and ladies. Black seed oil, kalonji, 3 tablespoons. Coconut oil 4 tablespoons. Fresh aloe vera gel 3 tablespoons. Rosemary leaves, fresh or dried, 2 tablespoons, high quantity. Minoxidil alternative, curry leaves 2 tablespoons. Fenugreek seeds, methi, 1 tablespoon. Onion, small, 1, finely chopped or grated. Ginger, fresh, 1 inch, grated. Peppermint essential oil 8 drops. Rosemary essential oil 10 drops. Preparation method. Take a pan and add black seed oil plus coconut oil. Add chopped onion, grated ginger, rosemary leaves, curry leaves, and fenugreek seeds. Let it cook on very low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add fresh aloe vera gel, blend it beforehand, and continue to cook on low flame until the water evaporates and the gel is infused. Once the mixture turns slightly golden and fragrant, turn off the flame. Let the oil cool down, then strain it. Finally, add peppermint and rosemary essential oils. Store it in a dark glass bottle. How to use. Use 3 times a week, massage deeply for 10 minutes. Leave overnight or for at least 2 hours before washing. Why this works. Black seed plus rosemary, opens follicles. Onion plus ginger, stimulates scalp blood flow. Aloe vera, hydrates, soothes, detoxifies. Fenugreek, protein boost for weak roots. How to use based on hair porosity. Low porosity hair. Warm the oil slightly. Massage into scalp. Cover with warm towel right pointing arrow, leave overnight. High porosity hair. Use oil at room temp. Apply on scalp plus hair strands. Braid and leave overnight. Use 3 to 4 times a week for best results. This oil has changed lives. Try it for 15 to 30 days consistently, no shortcuts. I'm starting today. Like, share, subscribe for more natural remedies. Thank you for watching.